Everyone, for this cooking video with John and Alexa. So the first ingredient for their ginisang malunggay and sayote with eggs is the moringa or malunggay. Next is sayote. Where is sayote?
There.
Very good, sayote.
Sayote.
Very good. Next is egg.
Egg.
Egg. Where is egg? Yay! Now we are going to prepare our ingredients. First is we are going to make the leaves of moringa into powder form.
Yay.
Where is the powder form moringa? Powdered form moringa. Very good. Next, we are going to chop the sayote.
Sayote.
Chop sayote. Very good. Next, we are going to beat the egg. You're going to beat the egg. Very good. Thank you so much for your time watching this video.